Wondering how to write an effective annotated bibliography in APA 7? An annotated bibliography is more than just a list of references. It includes citations followed by summaries and evaluations of each source. You must not only list the citation in APA's 7th bibliographical style, you must also include an analysis of the credibility, authority, reliability, and purpose of the work and its relevance to your proposed thesis or statement of purpose for a paper you might write out of this annotated bibliography. This shows you've researched and understand your source's contributions. Step 1. Find credible academic sources using databases like JSTOR or Google Scholar. Look for peer-reviewed articles, academic books, or reputable websites. Ask yourself if the author is credible and if the source is relevant. Step 2. Format the entry in APA 7 style, starting with a full citation. An example citation might look like this: Doe, J. A. 2020. Use a hanging indent, double space everything, and alphabetize the list. Step 3. Write the annotation, which should be 150 to 200 words long. A strong annotation includes a summary, evaluation, and reflection. For example, summarize the source's main argument or findings. Evaluate the source's reliability and mention the author's credentials. Reflect on how this source fits into your research and supports your thesis. Avoid vague statements, be specific and show your understanding. Before submitting, double-check your APA citation format and organization. An annotated bibliography showcases your research depth and critical thinking. Take your time and let your annotations reflect your scholarly voice.